Struggling to decide whether Card or Wix is the right website builder for you? Let's dive into a head-to-head comparison to help you make the perfect choice in just 90 seconds. First up, ease of use. Card boasts a super simple one-page website builder. Its drag-and-drop interface is incredibly intuitive, making it perfect for beginners who want to quickly launch a single-page site. Imagine a streamlined canvas where you can easily add text, images, and forms, all without a steep learning curve. Perfect for landing pages, personal profiles, or simple portfolios. Now, let's look at Wix. Wix offers a more comprehensive website building experience, ideal if you anticipate scaling up. Wix also features drag-and-drop functionality, but includes a wider range of tools and templates, which can feel overwhelming at first. However, Wix offers more flexibility and design control if you are looking to build a multi-page website. Moving on to customization. Card provides a selection of pre-designed templates that are easily customizable. You can tweak colors, fonts, and layouts to match your brand, but your design freedom is limited to the structure of a single page. It's great for quick and effective personalization within a simplified framework. Wix, on the other hand, gives you virtually unlimited design freedom. With Wix, you have the ability to customize every aspect of your site, from animations to custom code. This level of control is fantastic for those who want a truly unique and branded website, but it can also lead to design paralysis with so many choices. Let's talk pricing. Card is known for its affordability, offering a generous free plan and very competitive paid plans for additional features like custom domains and more sites. It's a budget-friendly option for individuals and small projects. Wix offers a range of pricing plans as well, including a free plan with Wix branding, but you'll need a paid plan to connect a custom domain and remove ads. Wix's plans are generally more expensive than Card's, but they also come with more features and scalability. Finally, let's consider the intended user base. Card is best for individuals, freelancers, and small businesses who need a simple, single-page website. This includes personal profiles, quick landing pages, and simple contact forms. Wix is better suited for businesses, entrepreneurs, and creatives who require a more robust website with multiple pages, e-commerce capabilities, or blogging features. This includes online stores, blogs, and appointment bookings.